Japanese posse, are you ready?
Reggae exploded out of Jamaica with such force and such distinctive style that it became a global music phenomenon. The most famous names in reggae are men, but women have contributed as much, often more, to this genre of music. On stage, female reggae artists project pure power and passion, and they should be known better. Here are some of the best female reggae artists of all time. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button and turning on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. This is the first video in a 4-part series. Number 9. Grace Jones. Her single, My Jamaican Guy, put her in the Jamaican female. Number 8. Sandra Cross. Her single, I Adore You, went to the #1 spot in the UK reggae charts when she was 14 years old. Cross is a talented songwriter and singer with a record of 5 #1 singles and 10 top 10 selling albums. Her top 10 hits include Put It On, Country Living, It's You, You're Lying, I Just Don't Care, and I Can't Let You Go. Cross has won 8 UK Reggae Music and Entertainment Awards and the title of the BBC Listeners' Britain's Best Female Reggae Singer for 6 consecutive years between 1986 and 1991.
Quantum Jump, The Lone Ranger. And alone? No. She's with her band. Her name is Janet Kay, and this is a song.
Number 7. Janet Kay, Queen of Lovers Rock. Her 1979 hit, Silly Games, topped the UK and European charts. Kay made history in the Music Guinness Book of Records as the first British-born black female to have a reggae song at the top of the British charts. Janet's albums have sold in excess of 1 million copies. Kay's Love You Always sold over 400,000 copies in Japan only. She is listed as one of Britain's top 100 Britons by the Evening Standard newspaper. Number 6. J.C. Lodge. J.C. Lodge's cover of country singers Charlie Pride's Someone Loves You Honey in 1980 topped the Jamaican charts worldwide and earned her gold and platinum status in the Netherlands. Her 1988 hit, Telephone Love, was the first dancehall track to break dancehall reggae in the R&B and the hip-hop markets in the United States, topping the urban charts in New York and other cities.
Brand new one on the radio. Just play me in a stereo.
Number 5. Diana King. Diana King's single, Shy Guy, was a hit on 2 continents in the 1990s. It was number 13 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart in the US, number 1 on the European Hot 100 chart, and the number 2 on the UK chart. It also sold 3 million copies worldwide. Her album, Tougher Than Love, sold 6 million units. Shy Guy was also featured on the soundtrack of the blockbuster movie Bad Boys, starring Will Smith and Martin Lawrence. In 1997, Diana's Think Like a Girl album peaked on Billboard's top reggae album chart at number 1, and her cover of Say a Little Prayer for You, featured on the soundtrack of the movie My Best Friend's Wedding, peaked on Billboard's Hot 100 Top 40. Number 4. Millie Small. Millie Small 1964 hit, My Boy Lollipop, initially sold 600,000 copies in the UK and has sold over 7 million copies worldwide and made the Australian charts. She is the first internationally successful Jamaican female singer. Small had another hit, I Love Sweet William.
Black woman, black woman, like me up struggled long.
Number 3. Judy Mowat. The former dancer with Estrelita Dancers, choreographer for the I-Threes, began her career as the lead singer of the girl group, the Gaylets. The Gaylets' hits included Silent River Deep and I Like Your World. Mowat's solo career and Name to Julian saw hits like I Am Alone, I Love You, and Too Good For Me. Like Marcia Griffith, Judy joined with Rita Marley, a part of Bob Marley and the Wailers' harmony trio, the I-Threes. She continued her successful solo history-making career in music. Judy Mowat is the first female to write, sing, and produce her own album, the seminal anthemic Black Woman. With her Love Is Overdue album, Judy was the first Jamaican female Grammy nominee in the early 1980s. Her Working Wonders 1985 album nomination saw her competing with American R&B legend Anita Baker for the NAACP Image Award. Number 2. Phyllis Dillon. Griffith Spear is one of the queens of the rocksteady. Dillon dominated local charts in Jamaica and in the UK with hits like Don't Stay Away, One Life to Live, Love That a Woman Can Give a Man, Perfidia, and Don't Touch My Tomato. Dillon died of cancer in 1994. Number 1. Marcia Griffiths. Marcia Griffiths is Jamaica's most successful female singer and a consistent hitmaker. 5 decades of being an international star on the world stage, she remains the most enduring presence in Jamaican music. Her solo career began in the 1960s and morphed into success in the United Kingdom's BBC charts with singer and songwriter Bob Andy on the duo's remake of Nina Simone Young Gifted and Black in 1971 and their follow-up Pied Piper. In the 1980s, her single Electric Boogie spawned a worldwide dance craze, the Electric Slide, that endures to this day. In the 1970s, Marcia became a member of the I-Threes, Bob Marley and the Wailers' Back of Harmony trio, featuring Rita Marley and Judy Mowat. Except for Phyllis Dillon, no female artist has come close to Griffith as a hit maker.
Free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophet while we stand?
Thank you for joining me again, guys. I do hope you found this video interesting. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see part 2, remember to subscribe to the channel. And for more videos like this, please check out Cristiano Link TVJM. That's my friend over there. He does Jamaican videos just like these. Until then, I am Alex. Bless.